Hello everyone. In this question, we are asked that if fx be the integral of 1 upon the product of x raised to the power 1 by 4 times 1 plus x raised to the power 1 by 4 dx such that f of 0 is equal to minus 6, then we are asked to find the value of f of 1. Okay, so we are given an expression for fx in the form of an indefinite integral where we are given the fourth root of x with the product of 1 plus the fourth root of x, right? So this is given in the denominator, and in the numerator this is just 1. Okay, and we are given the condition that f of 0 equal to minus 6, and we are asked to find the value of f of 1. So this condition is given in order to find the value of the constant of integration. After solving this integral, the constant of integration value of that constant can be found using this condition. Okay, so if we look carefully at this given expression here, it seems like we can take x to the power 1 by 4 as for some substitution, right? So if we say let u be x to the power 1 by 4, okay, then if we raise both sides to the power 4, this will give us u to the power 4 equal to x. So on differentiating both sides, this will give us 4u cube times du will be equal to dx, right? So if we do this substitution, this dx will change to 4u cube times du, and this x raised to the power 1 by 4, this will become just u, times this will become 1 plus u. Okay, so we see that we can cancel 1 u and this u cube here, so we have 4u square in the numerator now. So if we take 4 out of this integral, we are left with 4 upon u square divided by u plus 1 du. Okay, so you see, if we do a plus 1 minus 1 here, we can resolve it into two partial fractions, right? So if we do it like that, we have u square, say minus 1 plus 1 whole thing upon u plus 1. Then in the next step, if we factorize this u square minus 1 into a square minus b square, we have u minus 1 times u plus 1 plus the 1 that is left out here, whole thing divided by u plus 1. Okay, so if we split these two integrals now, this term and this term will cancel each other in the numerator and denominator. So in the first integral, we have just u minus 1 left du, and for the second integral, this is just 4 upon du upon u plus 1, right? So this just becomes, this integral of u minus 1 just becomes u square by 2 u du, and integration of du is just u, right? Similarly, for this one, this is very easy. This is just 4 ln u plus 1, right? 4 ln u plus 1. So if we multiply both these terms by 4, the first term becomes 2u square minus 4u plus 4 ln mod u plus 1. Okay, so now if we do the back substitution, our u was x raised to the power 1 by 4, right? It was the fourth root of x, right? So since u is this x raised to the power 1 by 4, u square will be x raised to the power half, right? So this will become 2 square root x minus 4 of, this will become x raised to the power 1 by 4, or fourth root of x. Okay, plus 4 ln mod fourth root of, sorry, this is fourth root of x plus 1 plus the constant of integration, right? I have substituted, I have used the constant of integration in the very final step. Okay, up to here it was u, right? So this was not the original variable in the question, so I have used the constant of integration at the very last step. Now the condition that was given is f of 0 equal to minus 6. Okay, so since f0 is equal to minus 6, this implies that if we put x equal to 0 in this expression, the left hand side of that is the fx value, this is equal to -6. Okay, so this implies -6 is equal to, if we put 0 in this expression, 2 root 0 is 0, 4 times this will again become 0, then we have this 4 ln, the first term will become 0 again, right? So this becomes 4 ln 1, ln 1 is again 0, so this entire thing up to here, this entire thing is 0 again, right? So this becomes equal to c, just c, right? So we have c equal to -6. So therefore we have f of x equal to 2 root x minus 4 times 4th root x plus 4 ln mod of 4th root x plus 1 minus 6. Okay, this is the expression for fx. Now we need to find the value of f of 1. So we just need to put the value of x equal to 1 in this expression. Okay, so if we put x equal to 1 here, this will become 2 times 1, so this is 2. Similarly, this is 4 times 1, so this is -4, plus if we put x equal to 1, this will become 4 ln 1 plus 1, that is 2, right? Minus 6. So this becomes 4 ln 2 minus, this is -2 minus 6, so this is -8. So if we take 4 common here, this will become ln 2 minus 2. Okay, so this is the required answer for f of 1. Okay, this was again not that difficult of an integral, right? You just need to do one substitution here for x raised to the power 1 by 4, and the integral here in this case required a slight partial fraction of -1 plus 1 in the numerator. Okay, if you do that, you can easily eliminate two terms for the this u plus 1 and u minus 1 term. You can eliminate them, and the integration becomes very easy after that. Okay, so again, this was not that difficult of a question, and if you know any shorter methods instead of what I have done, you can highlight in the comments. Okay, otherwise this is the method that I have used while solving this. Okay, so this is the required answer here. Thank you for watching.